We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen.